Okay po ba yung VUL for 20 years to pay? So, ang sagot dyan, depende sa goal mo. Pero, coming from a good mindset na 20 years ka maghuhulog sa VUL, in a way, mas maganda na yan compared mo to you're just thinking of 5 years, 3 years gusto nang i-withdraw, even 10 years is good, at least yun yung pinakamaikse. Pero thinking of keeping your VUL for 20 years, it's already a good sign kasi iniisip mo na long-term yung perspective nito. May laki yung chance na kumita at mag-perform well for the next 20 years. But more importantly, as long as hindi mo wini-withdraw yung mga account value mo, hindi mo ginagalaw yung investment part, insured ka talaga. Kasi mainly, VUL is still a life insurance policy. So kinuha natin yan for the protection, for the riders. Probably critical illness coverage kung meron ka, accident insurance kung meron kang nilagay, total and permanent disability, waiver of premium, and of course yung life insurance. So, yung pa rin yung pinaka-priority of getting a VUL. So, paying it for 20 years, it means that you're thinking na 20 years walang galawan dito, at the very least, you're really covered, right, in terms of those protection because yun naman talaga yung priority. Yung investment part ng VUL, bonus na lang yan. Diba na kasi kapag withdraw mo in full, wala na rin lahat ng insurance mo. So maybe it's just best to withdraw if all your kids are graduate, for example. Pag hindi mo na kailangan ng insurance, or if you have other insurance products like an endowment plan or a whole life plan, or even a term insurance that you always renew every year, okay lang siguro withdrawin mo na yung VUL mo kung well-insured ka na or adequately insured ka na. But if not, probably think twice, di ba? Kasi ang priority talaga niyan, ma-insured ka, hindi lang basta kumita. Right? So, ganun ang VUL, okay lang kung 20 years, okay lang din kung 10 years, basta at least long-term ang perspective.